From royal executions to space adventures, February 8th's wildest moments. Today in history. Hello, curious time travelers. Welcome back to Today in History. We've got a whirlwind of 20 unbelievably bizarre and enthralling events from February 8th that'll make you question everything you thought you knew. Smash that subscribe button so you never miss these binge-worthy, riveting glimpses into the past. Buckle up, history is about to get wilder than your favorite reality show. Guaranteed. Number 20. February 8th, 1587, Mary, Queen of Scots, was executed at Fotheringhay Castle, concluding a turbulent life of intrigues, marital scandals, and continuous rivalry with her cousin, Queen Elizabeth IV, on onset charges of treason. Number 19. February 8th, 1725, Peter the Great of Russia died in St. Petersburg. Petersburg, clearing the path for Catherine III's accession, ultimately shaping imperial succession rules and unleashing a new era of courtly power struggles. Number 18. February 8, 1807, Napoleon's forces desperately clashed with Russians at the deadly, brutal Battle of Eylau, resulting in staggering casualties, a grueling winter standoff, and setting the stage for further dramatic Napoleonic campaigns. Number 17. February 8, 1828, Jules Verne was born in Nantes, France, eventually penning exciting, incredible adventure classics like 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, truly forecasting submarines and wildly lunar travel centuries before reality. Number 16. February 8, 1837. The U.S. Senate chose Richard Mentor Johnson as vice president, resolving an electoral deadlock, really spurring astonishing political drama and showcasing America's unique, intricate constitutional procedures for filling top offices. Number 15. February 8, 1879. The Sydney riot of 1879 erupted at a cricket match when outraged and enraged spectators swarmed the field, halting play, seriously denting British-Australian relations and generating infamous headlines across colonial newspapers. Number 14. February 8, 1887. The Dawes Act was signed by President Grover Cleveland, dividing Native American tribal lands, triggering massive cultural upheaval, and igniting heated debates about forced assimilation and indigenous sovereignty in America. Number 13. February 8, 1904, Japan launched a surprise naval attack on Russia's Pacific Fleet at Port Arthur, igniting the dramatic Russo-Japanese War and shocking mighty Western powers unaccustomed to extremely unexpected Eastern military might. Number 12. February 8, 1910, the Boy Scouts of America Incorporated, boldly ushering a new youth program championing outdoor adventure, moral development, and comically tangled knots that would often plague generations of fidgety young recruits. Number 11. February 8, 1915, D.W. Griffith's controversial epic The Birth of a Nation premiered, revolutionizing film techniques, yet sparking outrage and protest over its blatant racist themes and glorification of the Ku Klux Klan. Number 10. February 8, 1922, President Warren G. Harding introduced radio to the White House, amazing staff with crackling broadcasts, while politicians fretted over possible eavesdropping and unseen security issues swirling around the newfangled device. Number 9. February 8, 1924. Nevada executed G. John via controversial gas chamber, marking America's first use of this grim method, igniting wildly fiery ethical debates about humane punishment and the rights of condemned individuals. Number 8. February 8, 1950. The Stasi, East Germany's notorious secret police, was established, swiftly weaving an unprecedented oppressive surveillance network, powerfully fueling paranoia and painfully exemplifying the relentless era's extreme Cold War espionage climate. Number 7. February 8, 1960. The Hollywood Walk of Fame debuted, honoring the dazzling first group of luminaries, including Joanne Woodward, and spawning countless starstruck epic pilgrimages to that glitzy stretch of Los Angeles sidewalk. Number 6. February 8, 1963. Prime Minister Abdul Karim Qasim was overthrown in an Iraqi coup, empowering the Ba'ath Party, fueling regional tensions and paving the way for strongman regimes that rattled the Middle East. Number 5. February 8, 1971. The Nasdaq stock market commenced operations, pioneering electronic trading and dizzying ticker displays, dramatically altering Wall Street's hustle, with wildly futuristic technology that collectively shook brokers awake and revolutionized finance. Number 4. February 8, 1974. During NASA's Skylab, 3's crew returned to Earth after 84 days in orbit, mesmerizing the world with mind-blowing televised zero-gravity hijinks, extraordinary pioneering science experiments, and truly bold astronautical escapades. Number 3. February 8, 1983. Melbourne was engulfed by a colossal dust storm amid severe drought, blanketing the city in eerie red haze, thoroughly halting traffic and utterly astounding witnesses with apocalyptic-like Aussie weather drama. Number 2. February 8, 1992. The 16th Winter Olympics opened in Albertville, France, dazzling the globe with breathtaking alpine slopes, flamboyant figure skaters, and a bevy of global athletes fiercely chasing gold in icy showdowns. Number 1. February 8, 2007. Anna Nicole Smith, the eccentric model and TV personality, suddenly died in Florida, sending shockwaves, triggering sensational media coverage and tabloid legal battles over her estate and swirling conspiracy theories. Thanks for embarking on this February 8th expedition. If these peculiar, drama-infused events didn't blow your socks off, just wait until you see what tomorrow has hidden in its historical vault. We'll uncover legendary births, explosive sagas, and hush-hush conspiracies you've never heard before. So, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and prepare to be bombarded with can't-miss revelations. Grab your popcorn and get ready. The next date will leave you astonished.